Hello everyone, and today we're gonna break down the difference between the words spell, feed, and bout when talking about illness, sickness, coughing, seizure, and so on. Well, they all connect as both verbs and nouns. And let's start with spell. Spell is a short, brief period of sickness, infection, coughing, and so on. For example, a spell of coughing because you've got a cold. It's not serious, it's brief, and it's just unpleasant and can be annoying. Fit. Fit is like fit. It's just like a spell, but it can last a little bit longer and maybe a little bit more serious. Like for example, when someone allergic to something and sneezing a lot, so you can say a fit of sneezing, or maybe maybe you forgot to put your jacket in winter when in the street, and you've got this serious cold and this, you can say, a fit of fever. Yeah. So we got one more. It is bout. Bout is a serious life-threatening condition. So, for example, like you can say when someone has a bout of dry cough or a bout of coughing with blood because they have a serious disease, for example, like tuberculosis. Yeah. So remember this, bout is a life-threatening condition, a serious life-threatening condition. You can also say like, for example, a bout of stroke. Yeah, and ranking them all from the weakest to the strongest. Spell, fit, bout. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episodes. Have a wonderful day.